Commander's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line Number and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the general.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride.
We get started so early.
Recruits crossing to transport.
Yeah, that was really weird.
This is your final call on board. I'm getting a high rating on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! 2, Blue 5, we got a good man, so transport can make the jump. I'm hit!
Lock Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to drive him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9-9? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling
advisors, your transport has been captured. You are now under the command of General Hoxan, the First Order. Your mission has failed. You will exit the transport, proceed to the right down the hallway for processing and interrogations. Everyone off the shuttle now, move along.
You think we'll listen to you? Mason would say Not Brian. Did you really?
Go ahead.
It's so cold.
Right this way, straight to the lieutenant.
You're sharing orange with them. Now, look down at your feet and memorize the code book and the sign.
They're moving too. That's good. So cool.
At this time, if you have a bag on your back, shoulder, or waist, it must be removed. All bags go in your hand.
What am I doing?
I don't really know.
Mom, I'll hold your fanny. Mom, recognize that.
Here, could you hold this?
Mom, recognize that.
Oh, look, this is like one of those things that R2D2 puts the whole thing in there. It goes,
Oh yeah, that's a good detail.
yeah.
This line will follow me. This line follow behind
You
that.
will follow. What's inside? No touching the walls. That's right.
Rebel
Stay in the
scoop.
center.
Why not touch the ball?
Forgot about this. Yeah.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Ready to bring you guys out. Let's go quickly. Silver and orange to the right, blue and red to the left. Silver and orange to the right, blue and
Then we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Reclutos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
We have R5. We have a great program to get you talked about. Any questions, concerns?
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Road droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner. We have a breach in entering block bridge.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are! Fire!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the lift down. We'll cover you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
Oh my god.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the visual cannons!
Resistance is about to be destroyed.
Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. 9-0, scan for his pod beacon.
Escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I have a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. Down at the wreckage site.
Doesn't sound good. He was a bad focus on the bridge. If anything happened to him.
Last show him in Sector 4.
Should we?
You had no choice. We had to get those data sheets off the ship.
Never leave anyone behind.
Sir, this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, hurry.
Bravo here. Your eyes on two pods descending.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
Got first order patrols on the ridge, Bravo.
I see him. We're keeping the retreat on.
Lieutenant back here. Back! You're right. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Mia, look at me. Mia.
A